Hi and welcome to Become a Techie. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to restore your computer from your chosen restore point. You may be thinking why you would need to restore your computer or what restore points are and why they are required. So you never know when your computer will start playing up or when programs on your computer will become corrupted. Therefore, it is very important to make sure that you have regular restore points created which you can restore back to. Check out the tutorial. For more information on this, check out the tutorial on how to create a restore point, and the link for that tutorial can be found in the description below on Become a Techie's website. Now, let's begin. First, you want to click on Start. Then, you want to type Control, by which you will receive a option here as a suggestion called Control Panel. If you click on that, you will see something here that says View By. You want to click on the options and click on Large Icon so you can see all the options uncategorized. Now you want to click on Recovery. Now you want to click on Open System Restore. Now you want to go to choose a different restore point and Next. You should see a list of all your restore points and you can order them by time and day. Then once you are happy with the restore point you want to select, you'll click it and click on Next. And then read this, make sure you're happy and finish. Once you have finished, your computer will restore from the chosen restore point and you'll be back. Your computer should be back into its working state at that point where you created the restore point. And hopefully your problems and things that were not working should be fixed. Thank you very much and for watching, and please subscribe to the channel at Become a Techie, and also subscribe to the site on the site at becomeatechie.com for updates on the latest tutorials where you can also request a tutorial. Thank you very much and see you soon.